This is the August 1st End Bad Governance protest live in Gwagwalada here. The Gwagwalada dimension of the protest is getting very violent. Indeed, very violent, because the youths around here are not even taking it easy for any reason. But again, the good aspect of it all is that we have all our security men on ground. We have the military personnel. We have the customs, we have the policemen, we have the civil defense, we have in fact, they are all on ground trying to see how they can contain the situation. But it is getting very, very violent along Lokoja-Abuja Expressway here in Gwagwalada. So please, if you are coming along this route, you have to be very, very careful, because the situation here is something else. Thank you.
Return the subsidy! Return the subsidy! Return the subsidy!
This is live in Gwagwalada. Burning tires everywhere. It is becoming violent. So for road users who are traveling, passing through the Abuja-Lokoja Expressway, you just have to be very careful. If you are traveling along Abuja-Lokoja Expressway, please, you just have to take it easy. Like you can see, burning of tires. But then the security agents are taking it easy. They are trying to contain the situation. They are well prepared and they are well on ground. But for travelers, please, you are kindly advised to stay away from this axis, because it is getting very, very violent here. The slogan in Gwagwalada is Bamayi. Bamayi in Hausa means we are not doing again, meaning that they don't want anything about the Tinubu regime. Bamayi. This is one of the protesters. Like you can see, he said, "Secure Arewa is bleeding. Tinubu save us from hunger." I think this is reasonable. Very reasonable.
We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need Tinubu again. We don't need Tinubu again. People, they suffer. We don't need Tinubu again.
That is what. Please, travelers using the Abuja-Lokoja Expressway, you are advised to stay away completely. Please, you are advised to stay away completely.